Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dominoes 7 here on Facebook Live. As I'm showing y'all, more water is gushing out from the ground. There's a pipe sticking up right here, and there's some water right here gushing out through there too. Do y'all see that? Ain't that a shame, y'all? And check this out. There's a pipe sticking out right there too. You know? Look here. Look how much water coming out. Y'all see that? New Orleans got to do something about this. Oh, and by the way, I was on YouTube Live, so let's go back over here, okay? If I don't get disconnected, y'all see all this water and stuff like that. See our city streets. This fire hydrant. They say flushing. Oh, they flushing it? Well, whatever. Do not turn off the water. Well, how the hell are we gonna turn off the water? They flushing it, then come on, not tell us, you know? More water gushing out, you know? There's a song coming from right there. Yes, indeed, you know? Soothing water, boy, gotta do better than this. Yes, indeed, bro. Left it like that for a couple of days. See, that's why people water pressure is so low, you know. So as I show y'all what's going on down here, you know, okay. And before you know it, more and more. So let's go back right here, okay. Well, look at all this. Yep. See this? More water gushing out. I don't even know what this is all about, you know. Thought about what this all about, you know. I filmed something like this down the street, you know. That's why people water pressure is so low, you know. I literally don't know why, but I'm starting to figure out why, you know. So, if you live in this area where I'm at right now, we gotta talk to the city. They need to tell us what's going on, you know, instead of keeping us guessing, you know. So that's why people water pressure is so low, ladies and gentlemen. You know, New Orleans got to do better than this. Whatever's going on, they should tell us, you know. Flushing, whatever the hell that mean. What is polluted or something? Who knows? All right. So that's all I got to tell y'all. All right. Bye.